Deggy Larkin, the best in the business, is your man in the middle for this main event battle, scheduled for five-minute rounds. And Carrick, these are two guys who are at the top of their game in the lightweight division.
What we're going to see here, Brave Nation, is pressure facing pressure. Each one is looking for an opening. Somewhere where the opponent is weak, nobody's found it yet. Could be takedowns, could be distance, could be strikes, kicks. They're each looking for it. They're feinting, waiting for the other person to react in some predictable, some repeatable fashion.
Lucas Mineiro does have an unbelievable kicking game. If he can take out that lead leg of Kubanic, nice little shovel uppercut. Constant movement is what Lucas Mineiro needs. Can't find himself prone or static, or he will get taken down. That is potentially the cleanest shot that Abdisalam Ulu Kubanic has absorbed in Brave Combat Federation.
He blinked, Brave Nation, but that is just about it.
A beautiful shot to the body.
What typically follows that is a shot to the head and then back down to the body again.
Just sneaked it right underneath the elbow. Nice uppercut, pinged the head back momentarily of Mineiro. Former Shute box fighter.
Барыңар жаңа жылга белек алгыңар келет. А бизге белек берип, куандырган жагат. 31 декабрга чейин гана сайма ар бир абонентине 6 ай бою акысыз интернет менен телевидение тартуулайт. Дароо азыр 0708 909 000 номери боюнча саймага чалгыла. Болгону 2 ай төлөп, жайга чейин ырахаттангыла. Саймага туташып, көңүлүңөрдү көтөргүлө.
He really is entering the third and final act of his career, and he wants to go out with a bang. He wants one last run at the title.
Concentration writ on these two fighters' faces is supreme. If either of them loses concentration for a split second, a third of a second, a quarter second, it's going to be lights out. Eyes are wide, taking in every tiny movement.
That uppercut is money for Kubanic. It's the starting point for a lot of his attacks, the genesis for what he wants to do next.
It's a little herky-jerky, it's a little bit awkward, but it is landing.
Oh, that's a big shot from Kubanic. Midway point of the opening round, fast approaching. Kubanic is hanging in there with the hands. I don't think anybody would have predicted this, Carrick.
Kubanic is absolutely finding a home for those hands, and having had success with it, what does he do? Changes gears, looks for the legs, has taken the back now. This is quintessential Omak fighting style. He is relentless, attacking from all angles, all heights, through all means.
Trying to pick the leg. Good job by Mineiro to defend. And pops off a shot of his own. That's going to be huge for Mineiro, the fact that he was able to defend the takedown. Massive feather in his cap thus far. But it's a huge shot. He wobbled him. Mineiro has a habit of when he gets hit or rocked, he tries to fire back immediately, but in doing so, he puts himself into danger.
Kubanic, it feels, Phil, like he's got his opponent's, he does. He's got his opponent's number right now. That's it.
There's the takedown. Great job of shelving the legs, and I said it before, I do not think Kubanic was born. I think he was made in a lab somewhere.
Frying pan to fire. We got both hooks in. Heavy pressure on those hips on the kidney.
90 seconds to work. Flatten them out.
Deep pressure.
Kubanic needs to be wary of hitting the back of the head. This could be
it may be short.
There it is!
Is it?
Wow, no protestation from Lucas Mineiro. He knows it was a fantastic
Federation lightweight champion, Abdisalam Ulu, Kubanić
Я вот до начала мне этот вопрос мне дали, я не могу отвечать. Я вот, иншаллах, я 2 месяца я готовлюсь, Дагестан, именно школа Абдуманаба. Там я готовлюсь, мне поиграть нельзя. Я вот Мартинса бой видел, он дыхание у него слабое. Он не мой соперник, брат.
He never was afraid about any fight. He was ready since 2 months now. He's having his camp. So he couldn't declare any fight, whether there is a weight or without weight, with belt or without belt.
You are a superstar in your native Kyrgyzstan. What do you want to say to the people back home, the millions of fans who are watching and who are cheering you on?
Понял. Салам алейкум, Кыргызстан. Мен сіздердің қолдауыңыздармен ушу даражаға жетіп жүрөм. Кыргызстан ардайым бізге дух, дем күч берет кыргыз спортчыларына. Менің семьяма, ата-энеме, үй бүлөм, бала-чакама мен терең ыраазычылык билем. Ошолор мени колдоп, ардайым дем күч беришет үйдө. Мен кичинекей балдарым бар, ошолор мага күч, дем күч берет.